So, last year, this, Stop the Traffic, was re-released as a new script adapted by Charlie Wheeler. And last night, we went to see the premiere. It was performed by the Mayflower MAST Youth Theatre. First time anything of mine has ever been performed there. And they did just a wonderful job. One of the really clever ideas they used were these elastic bands, I guess, that were huge elastic bands that we used for the people who were trafficked, and they controlled them beautifully with these bands. The set and the lighting, as you can see from this photograph, are absolutely stunning, really, really good. And one of the highlight scenes for me was Tana Station, which was staged beautifully by the ensemble. And this photo again gives an idea as to the imagination that was brought to the script. The real Stop the Traffic were there, which was quite amazing for the cast to see the real people and that it was a real charity. And we hope that this play is going to get into schools and be used. It's fantastic for looking, diversity, lots of different parts for people. They had a big cast in the production we were watching. And the addition of the part of Ruth, who is the CEO of Stop the Traffic, made a huge difference to the balance of the play. So, I hope other schools will take a look at this and other youth theatres. It's a great play for opportunities for imaginative ensemble, and it's now published by Salamander Street. And thanks, Charlie, for your adaptation, and thanks, Josh, and all those people in MAST Youth Theatre who presented a fabulous version of it. Just a couple of words. Ruth, your performance was amazing, and the story of Jessica was unbelievable 13 years ago when we first did this play. Now we've come to accept that this kind of trafficking does go on in England, but it was nonetheless unbelievable. Fantastic production, well done, thank you very much.